Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2020 Kia Sorento stock number 7259. It's run from the second 2020 to the current shape. It's a G6DU 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a G6DU 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front 20-inch factory only mega tyre. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 20-inch factory only mega tyre. Right hand tail light. Right rear 20-inch factory only mega tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 20-inch factory only mega tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.